Artificial intelligence. AI is a great partner. It doesn't replace the way I think, but it complements it. It helps me explore all the possibilities. It challenges my ideas and refine my work in a better way. I bring the context to it, put my creativity and also the judgments, so that it helps me bring out the best version of those ideas. That's why I see AI as a partner and not a replacement at all.
AI helps me automate my routine work so that I can concentrate more on what matters most, connecting great people with great opportunities.
AI helps me transform ideas into actionable solutions faster, enabling me to focus on strategic problem solving, innovation, and delivering greater value to my clients.
AI helps me find answers instantly. It acts like a 24/7 digital assistant which helps me to learn new concepts, new tools very fast. It helps me summarize long documents and it helps me to stay organized in busy weeks.
I appreciate AI because it makes everyday tasks easier and helps me be more creative. Whether I am learning something new, planning my work, exploring ideas, it gives me great start.
So today we will talking on AI. AI is helpful in my daily life. Like I use ChatGPT, Cloud or Gemini for my design ideas.
AI helped me playing the roles of my time server, creative partner, a smart assistant, boosting my productivity and making me smarter.
AI, it's a wonderful thing. It helps me to summarize the data and deliver key insights from the findings.
Behind every successful workplace is a strong IT team.
AI help us resolve issue faster.
Basically, it automates repetitive tasks.
Together with AI, we are building the smart future.